You don't need a magic steam cleaner. You need the one that matches your mess. Pet hair gunk, sticky cup holder sludge, or deep seat stains that keep coming back. Today I'm ranking 7 auto steam cleaners from gets the job done to wow, that actually looks new. So here's the open loop. By the end of this video, you'll know which one is best for quick spot details, which one is best for full interior resets, and which one looks great online but gets annoying in real use. Number 7. LABIGO 7883 Steam Cleaner. It does heat up fast in the steam mop version of this model line, which is known for a quick heat up and high steam temperature on paper. The reason it lands here is simple. When you're shopping for a car-focused steam cleaner, consistency and control matter more than hype specs like instant heat. When I tested it on basic interior plastics like door sills and the textured dash trim, it handled light grime and fingerprints well, especially when I kept the nozzle moving and used a microfiber to catch what the steam lifted. It's the kind of cleaner that makes you feel productive fast, because you can see dirt transfer quickly and it's satisfying. But the results plateau when you hit real car dirt, like old sticky residue around cup holders or that film that builds on center consoles. The steam control on the steam mop style unit is 2-level, which sounds fine until you're in a car and you want half steps. Low can feel too gentle on hard grime, and high can be too aggressive if you're near seams, buttons, or delicate trim. You end up compensating with distance and speed rather than true output control, and that takes practice. Another thing, the water capacity in the steam mop spec set is 350 milliliters, and in car detailing, that can mean more refills than you'd expect once you start doing seats, floor mats, and tight crevices back to back. It's not a deal breaker, but it does break your momentum. And momentum is everything when you're trying to finish a full interior detail. Overall, LABIGO feels like it can be helpful if your goal is general light cleaning and you want something simple, but for car interior specifically, I found it a little either or. Either not strong enough or strong enough but harder to fine-tune for delicate areas. Number 6. Happudeok LEST-C2. This one fits the classic handheld steamer kit vibe. Portable, accessory-heavy, and built around the idea that you'll bounce from vents to cup holders to seat rails without dragging a big canister around. In my test run, it actually did a decent job on the simple stuff. Quick refresh of rubber mats, light grime on plastic trim, and that dusty buildup around seat tracks. The handheld form factor is its biggest advantage because it's easy to maneuver, and if you're doing short cleaning sessions, you'll appreciate not hauling a big machine. But here's where it loses points for me. Handheld steamers in this category tend to feel inconsistent under pressure. When you hit stubborn spots, especially oily grime in the shifter area or that sticky residue in storage pockets, you often need sustained steam. And that's where smaller units can start feeling bursty instead of steady. You can still get results, but you'll spend more time re-hitting the same area. I also noticed you have to be careful about how you use the attachments. Tight car spaces make it easy to accidentally bump plastic edges or press too hard with a brush head, and the combination of heat plus friction can leave surfaces looking dulled if you're not careful. This isn't unique to this brand, but with a budget handheld unit, the accessories can feel a bit less refined and forgiving. The best way I found to use it is as a quick maintenance steamer. Hit the vents lightly, loosen debris and seams, and follow immediately with a towel or detailing brush. For before you sell the car deep detailing, it's not the most confidence-inspiring option. So yeah, convenient, but it can feel like you're working around the tool rather than the tool working for you. 5. Flgocexs handheld steam cleaners. This is where the list starts getting more satisfying. This one is marketed as a high-wattage handheld unit with a larger tank in some listings, and the big promise is quicker heat up and stronger output for tougher grime. When I used it on the nastiest daily driver areas, pedals, lower door plastics, and the cup holder zone, it performed better than the previous two, mostly because it maintained that punch longer before I felt like I had to stop and reset my approach. The steam helped loosen the gunk, and with a microfiber wrap over the nozzle, I could lift grime instead of just pushing it around. One thing I liked, it's positioned as chemical-free cleaning, which I treat as a bonus, not a miracle. Steam alone won't replace a stain extractor for deep cloth seat spills, but it does help you reduce how much product you need, and it's great for loosening old residue before wiping. Where it's not perfect is finesse. Handheld units like this can be powerful, but the difference between effective and too much happens fast when you're near delicate trim, adhesive-backed badges, or aging plastic. I found the sweet spot was keeping the nozzle moving and never camping on one point. If you want a stronger handheld-style steamer for mixed use, car, kitchen, bathroom, this one earns the number 5 spot because it feels like it's trying to be more than a toy. But for dedicated auto detailing, you'll still start craving a more stable, purpose-built system once you detail more than one car a month. 4. GOATCLEAN's T08 Steam Cleaner. This is the first one on the list that feels like a real machine instead of a small handheld compromise. It's a canister-style steamer with 1500 watts power, a larger tank size, and claims around stronger pressure and longer runtime, and in actual use, that translates into less waiting and fewer interruptions. What stood out immediately in my testing was the sustained cleaning rhythm. You can move from floor mats to door panels to fabric seats without feeling like the unit is running out of steam, literally. Some sources list a 53 Flgocexs tank volume and a heat time around 12 minutes, which fits that canister-style expectation. You wait up front, then you clean longer. The accessory kit style is also a big deal here. For cars, the right tool is usually a combination: steam to loosen, brush to agitate, microfiber to lift. With a larger kit, you can choose a nozzle that fits the job instead of forcing one attachment to do everything. Where I'd still be realistic, canister units take up more space and feel less grab and go. If you live in an apartment or you store your gear in a small closet, a bigger machine can be annoying. But if you detail in your driveway or you do multiple cars, the convenience flips. Bigger becomes easier. For most people who want to step up from handheld steamers, the ST008 hits a practical middle ground. Stronger, longer runtime, more tools, and it feels like it's built for heavier cleaning, including car interiors, without going full commercial. 3. Wagner Spraytech C9000-54-905E. This one has been around long enough to earn real trust in the auto steam cleaner niche. Wagner lists it as delivering up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit to the surface with 55 psi of pressure, and it's designed specifically with vehicle detailing in mind, which shows in use. When I ran it through a full interior pass, it did the classic steam detailing job well. Loosen salt stains and grime, lift sticky residue in creases, and refresh high-touch areas without drenching everything. The trigger lock for continuous steam is a small feature that becomes a big deal when you're doing long passes on mats or working a seat seam. Tank capacity and runtime matter a lot here. Wagner lists a 40-ounce distilled water capacity and about 40 minutes runtime on a full tank, and that's the difference between finishing a car in one flow versus stopping constantly. What surprised me was how manageable it felt. It's not tiny, but it's not a huge shop machine either, and the built-in accessory storage makes it feel more organized, like a tool you'll actually pull out instead of procrastinating because the setup is annoying. For people who want a true autofocus steamer without jumping to premium pricing, Wagner is a strong number 3 because it balances output, control, and a workflow that feels made for cars, not just adapted to them. Number 2. Dupray XTR156WNA. Dupray's reputation in steam cleaning is tied to the idea of deeper, more reliable steaming with better build quality and longer sessions. Even across Dupray's popular steam cleaner lines, you'll see themes like higher steam temps. Some models list up to 275 degrees Fahrenheit, meaningful pressure, and a more whole-home heavy-duty approach that translates well into detailing. In my testing mindset, this category of steamer is what you buy when you're done with good enough. On car interiors, the advantage is not just raw heat, it's consistency. You can do a slow, controlled pass on a grimy door card, then switch to a crevice tool for seat rails, then hit rubber mats without the machine feeling like it's fading. Another thing that matters, accessories and reach. Steam cleaning is only as good as the tool head that fits your angle, and Dupray-style kits tend to support that better, especially if you're trying to avoid soaking fabric while still lifting grime. I also like these machines for people who do more than cars. If you're cleaning grout, bathroom tile, kitchen grease, and then coming back to your car, you want something that's designed to hold up over time and not feel disposable after a season. Dupray positions many of its machines as chemical-free sanitizing tools, which is useful as long as you still treat steam with respect around delicate interiors. So why isn't it number one? Because for pure auto interior plus stains convenience, the top pick on this list has a different advantage. It combines steam with extraction-style cleaning in a way that's ridiculously effective for upholstery and spills. Number 1. BISSELL 3618 Steam Cleaner. This is the pick I'd recommend for most people who want the biggest visible improvement on car seats, carpets, and upholstery, especially if you deal with pets, kids, or mystery stains. BISSELL specifically positions it as a portable cleaner with hydrosteam technology and multiple cleaning modes, including steam wash for tough, oily messes, steam for refreshing upholstery and cleaning tile grout, and wash for enzyme-type stains. In real-world use, this steam plus cleaning approach hits a sweet spot for cars because car interiors are fabric-heavy. Steam alone can loosen grime, but if you can't extract what you loosened, you're sometimes just relocating dirt. With the BISSELL, I found it easier to actually pull out the stain and the smell, not just make the surface look better for a day. The mode dial is genuinely useful. When I tested a greasy console spill and a seat stain, steam wash felt like the reset button, while steam mode worked better for quick refresh passes where I didn't want to over-wet the fabric. The machine also has a steam-ready light that indicates it's ready after about 30 seconds, which keeps the workflow fast. Capacity is another practical win. BISSELL lists a dual-tank setup with a 64-ounce clean tank and a 51-ounce dirty tank, so you can do a lot of interior cleaning without constantly dumping and refilling. That's huge if you're doing an entire car in one session. And finally, the reason it wins: the results look like effort. Seats look brighter, carpets look less shadowy, and the car feels genuinely refreshed. The kind of difference you notice when you get in the next morning. If your goal is the best all-around auto steam cleaning experience for upholstery-heavy interiors, the 3618 earns the number 1 spot.